now we are in the timber market. We are buying the woods now. So this is the place that they are loading the things from. So this be the truck. So this be our plow.
Hello everyone and welcome back to another motivational video of building a house in Ghana. If it is your first time here, my name is Gigo and today we have Efo who will be taking us through the decking phase of a 2-bedroom apartment that one of our subscribers is putting on in Afienya, Apollonia, and he need our assistance with the decking, so he got in touch with our carpenter who is A4, and they went to buy the building materials as you can see needed for the decking. And this is the site they are offloading the materials so that they will begin with work immediately. The plan for the decking is to focus on one apartment, so when we are done with it, then we move all the wood, the plywood, the bamboo and the 2x2s, we move it to the next apartment. So we'll be going step by step so that we can save money, and I know AFO can manage that wood, so that we don't damage a lot of them so that the client has to buy new ones, but maybe in the way we'll have to replace one or two, which I know FO is going to do his best to manage the wood for this client. So I'm very happy for the client for choosing FO for this particular project, because I know what FO can do when it comes to managing of wood when in decking. So we will see the progress of this apartment. I'll keep you guys updated. And just in case you want to follow the decking progress of this apartment, if you go to my playlist, it's called Efo Carpenter, then you can follow this project, how it will go, and also other projects that Efo has done when it comes to decking, roofing, and fixing of doors. Efo is the person you get in touch with.
Yeah, so this is our beam plate. We are still putting on our beam plate so that after the beam plate, then we start knocking the inside box. It's a 2 apartments, but because of the material, we are doing one. After that, then we move it to the second one. But we are going next floor too, so we are maintaining the material for the client so that we can use it up to the finishing of this project. As you can see, this beam plate is very long. This beam is very long, so we check the level and everything. And now we are putting the rope on top before we give it the support. We give on the support. So this is our rope now. So this is the man cutting the bamboo for us, so that we use it to knock the support the beam plate. Then we'll take the level PPP. Then we are okay. Because this project we are doing, it seems like we are in the rain season. We are in the rain season, so we don't want our client to spend a lot. So the board, the bamboo, the plywood, we put the bamboo down first. Then we put the plywood on top. You see the black rubber now, we keep our plywood for there. So that is our plywood we keep on the black rubber under. So these are our bamboos. And so still our work is going on. So this is our first day for the project. Now we start now. and our work is still going on. So that being placed, that is the one that they are facing. So they are marking everything according to the measurement or the plan, and when our support supposed to be, we are putting everything there. We are putting everything there. So this is our power that we are using. Fia go jare. Nere into ba mena do wu me na gara engineer. I'm going picture ko fia me. And now this is where we reach so far. So now the cantilever, so we get the front and the side of. So this is where we reach so far. So we did here now I left the back. So this be the top. We are almost done with the bedroom. Sorry for the sorry. We're almost done for the bedroom, so another hall. So this side is ready for the bamboos. Now we are moving to, or we are going to the cantilever, the outside. No. Now we are moving to that side. Now before we are coming to this side. This is how we get the front. This is the cantilever for the outside. So we put here, even inside here, you see the inside door is on point or on the level. So we put out everything, as you can see. So now this is the top, or we get the top. So now you go to the back there. You go to the back there. You left there some small cantilever at the back there. But that one will do it. So this is how everything comes. So this place all are ready for the bamboos. The bamboos, after the bamboos, then we put on the, after the bamboo, then we put the plywood on top. Okay. Then we go knock the plywood, everything finish before we before I form the staircase to Adam. So this is how we reach so far. So we are almost getting closer. This is where we reach so far. We do our finish. So still we are on it. As you can see, the inside the bamboo saw. This is how the bamboo saw go. So now we put this one so finish. We put our plywood. This has all have completed. So now you left the other side. Now I left this side. Now here is completed. Christopher, in case you na kama siya wako so. Now I left this side after casting out this one before we move to that side. So this is our staircase. Now we have done the staircase. Because the plywood, we use the plywood like 4 times. So the man bought some chemical can. So we use that chemical for the plywood before we are putting the rubber too, so that the plywood will last for us. So now we are putting on the rubbers. We are covering everything now. We are covering everything now. The rubber work is going on. Hey. Yeah. So now, yeah, we complete here. So now I left this side. It's a 2 apartment. So after the casting of this side, then we'll move the material, everything to this side too. Then we do this side to add. We are in Afienya, Apollonia.
So you've seen it all from the start, to the finish of the carpentry decking work by FO. Neat job done, you know. And I think this is just the beginning. So I'm going to say this is going to be the part one. After they've done the iron rails and casted it, we'll remove everything and go to the next phase, which is going to be part two. So stay tuned and watch out for that progress, as well. If you need a FO for your carpentry work, you can always get in touch with him. That's his number on the screen. He'll give you an estimate and then you deal with him directly. I trust him, so you don't have to come to me and I don't have to check him. He knows what he's doing, and if anything, just discuss it with him. Just in case maybe you don't have all the money for the wood, we can also help you. If is renting wood if you need, so you can get in touch with him. So I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next episode. Let's get to it.